Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on double leg stretch, which is the second exercise in what we call the series of 5, or the abdominal series. Just like the first exercise, just like single leg stretch, this is all about using your powerhouse to stabilize your spine as your arms and legs do a bunch of choreography. This also is introduced at a basic level, and you continue to do it through an advanced level, but it gets progressively harder. Meet me on the mat. Let's build double leg stretch, but we're going to start off with the fundamental. Lie down on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat. Line them up with your hip points, scoop your powerhouse in and up, and reach your arms forward. Start off with your cervical nod, and then fold here at your ribs. Press down to curl up. Pull your lower abs into the mat as your arms go up. Open your arms into your peripheral vision. As your arms go forward, slide your waist off the back edge of the mat. Arms up, abs down. Open, exhale, waist back, arms forward. Inhale, arms up, lower abs down. Open, waist back, arms forward. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, final one. Inhale, exhale, and then rest your head and shoulder blades into the mat. We're going to coordinate that with some leg movement. The transition is scoop your powerhouse to hug your knees in, rest your head and shoulder blades. You're in a frog position with your heels together, toes apart, and your knees are the same distance as your shoulders. Take an inhale, exhale, curl your head and shoulder blades up off the mat. Inhale, your arms and legs up, lower abs down. Open your arms. Exhale, press your waist into the floor, bend your knees. Inhale, arms and legs go up, they open. Exhale, scoop and hug your knees in. Inhale, arms go up, open, exhale. Inhale, arms and legs up, open, exhale. 2 more. Pull your lower abs into the mat. Slide your waist back. 1 more. Lower abdominals down. Pull your waist back. Rest your head and shoulder blades into the mat. If you're working at an intermediate level, you just did single leg stretch with the straight leg extended to 45 degrees. For double leg stretch, your goal is to extend both legs to 45 degrees, and your arms can reach back a little bit further, but they stay in your peripheral vision. So let's say you just finished your single leg stretch here. Hug your knees in, rest your head and shoulder blades down. You're in that frog position. Curl your head and shoulder blades up. Press your heels together. Inhale, arms and legs reach in opposition. Pull your waist back. Circle your arms. Exhale, hug in. Inhale, pull your waist back. Circle, exhale all the air out. Inhale, reach, circle, exhale. Your legs reach through the wall in front of you. Exhale, 2 more. Reach your legs through the wall and pull your waist back in opposition. Final 1. Exhale, rest your head and shoulder blades into the mat. If you're working at an advanced level, your straight leg was extended at eye level. So you want to aim for that in double leg stretch. So you finished here, you hug your knees in without resting your head. Inhale, pull your lower abdominals in and reach your legs through the wall, pull your waist back. Circle your arms, press your waist into the floor and bend. Inhale, pull your waist back, reach through the wall, circle, exhale. Send your legs through the wall, slide your waist off the back edge of the mat. 2 more, reach, circle, exhale. And last one, reach, circle, exhale, rest your head and shoulder blades into the mat. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule, and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.